Hello everyone, I'm here to present to you the rational inequality.
So, what is rational inequality?
I'm here to present to you our own word problem. So let's go.
A box with a square base is to have a volume of 125 cubic meters. That X with the length of the side of the square base and H with the height of the box. What are the possible measurement of the side square base? The height should be longer than the side.
So, we copy the given into our formula. H is V equals to X squared H. Our volume is 125 m3. 125 equals X squared H. And so, we will substitute here. This H is equals 125 over X squared. Then, volume equals X times H. We will arrange it. Arrange mo natin. Into V over H. V over X squared equals X squared H. That H is height over X squared. So, the H is missing.
The volume is 125. Then, the height is X times X is X squared. Kaya siya tulad. Then, that X with the length, dito na siya. Saka naging greater than. Copy niya 125 over X squared. Lalagyan mo siya ng minus X. Yun na siya. Then greater than. Copy mo na lang ulit siya. Ay, ano kayo niya? 125 X squared minus X greater than 0. Yun na.
What number can we use to get 125 using cube? Let's try the 3 cube.
3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27.
27 ang nakuha natin, increase natin 125, kaya n is ang 3 cubes. So we will try 4 cubes.
Times 4, 6 natin nakuha yung 125, so hindi pa rin siya pwede. So we will try 5 cubes. 5 times 5 is 25. Times 5 is 125. So nakuha na natin yung hinahanap natin na 125.
Sabihin nyo na nga lang, silent na lang maganda. X squared 0. Tingin ka dito.
5 minus X equals to 0. Tinransfer namin ng X sa 0. Kaya 5 equals to X. Ang X, tinransfer namin sa 5. X equals to 5.
Nilagyan namin ng square root para matanggal ang square. Kaya ang final answer is X equals to 0.
Transfer natin lahat ng X sa 0.
Sabi ko dito sinakasap kayo.
Ang ginawa natin dito, pinalitan natin yung mga x ng 0. Tapos kinapi natin to, tapos kaya nakuha natin is 0. At ang sagot ay undefined.
Yung kanina is pinalitan yung x ng 0. Ang ngayon naman is positive 5. 5 minus 5. Pinalitan lang din yung kanina na positive 5. Yung x. Tapos, kabilang 0 ay 5 minus 5, 0. Negative 5 squared, 25. Negative 5 times 5, negative 25. Then, 25, kabilang sa baba. Then, 5 squared, that's 25. Kaya, pwede rin ma-check.
So, let's proceed to synthetic addition. So, we will use 5. Negative 1. 0, 0, 125. Let's bring down negative 1. Negative 1 times 5. Negative 5. Let's bring down again negative 5. Negative 5 times 5. Negative 25. Bring down again ulit. Negative 25 times 5. Negative 125 equals to 0. So, before natin gawin table, susulat muna natin is 5 minus x, close parenthesis, then parenthesis ulit, x squared plus 5 plus 25. So, ayan na. Magpapatuloy na tayo sa table.
Negative 1, papalit sa x, positive. Negative 1, papalit sa may x squared, plus 5 plus 25, positive. And negative 1, papalit sa x squared, positive. Kaya, nabuhan, positive. Positive 1, papalit sa 5 minus 5 minus x, positive. 1 squared plus 5 plus 25 positive. 1x squared positive. Pag 1 positive. 6 and 5 minus x. Open close parenthesis. X kapalitan ng 6 plus 5 plus 25 over 6x squared. Negative.
Greater than 0. Yun sa, di ba sa height, wala siyang mag-i-equal sa 0. X na yan, wala. Kaya dun sa 0, greater than x, greater than positive 5. Pwede siya, mag-i-equal niya sa positive 5. Tapos, x less than positive 5. Wala rin, kasi negative na siya. Dito lang dito, puros positive siya dito sa last. Dito, greater than x, greater than 5. Ito na yung bracket, x, slash x, and element, real numbers, 0, greater than x, greater than positive 5, bracket. Yun na yun.